Well, the other big news this week has been the falling rupee, which actually hit a new low against the dollar before bouncing back. Is there a silver lining, though, in all this volatility for exports? Sandeep Phukan has that story.
A dollar can now buy more made-in-India products, and that makes our markets more attractive to buyers. At least that's how experts view the current fall in rupee's value to a dollar. On Saturday, Dr. Manmohan Singh too urged India Inc. to focus on exports.
Although India is now growing at the annual rate of 7.5% per annum, the sustainability of the growth process would require a significant increase in the rate of investment, particularly in the infrastructure sectors, as well as the revitalization of our international trading sector, particularly the exports.
The value of rupee has declined in the past few weeks, anticipating a tightening of monetary policy by the Federal Reserve. Experts say now is the time for an export push.
In fact, for last 4 months or 5 months, Federation of Indian Exporters organization has been lobbying with Government of India to allow the rupee to depreciate a little.
In Moradabad, though, barely 180 kilometers from Delhi, known for its export of decorative brasswares, the note ban has hit hard. Exporters say they may not be able to honor their delivery deadlines.
मेरे 60 करोड़ रुपए की एक्सपोर्ट है तकरीबन, तो मेरा 50,000 रुपए हफ्ते में काम चल जाए, आप खुद बताइए. It is quite impossible. 50,000 रुपए तो मुझे डेली बांटने ही नहीं चाहिए.
The Commerce Minister, who met exporters earlier this week, made it clear she is working with the Finance Ministry to ease things for the export sector. With Anand Zanane in Mumbai, in New Delhi, Sandeep Phukan, NDTV.